GMC. No start, no crank, no shifting gear. Problems from here. Okay. Problem here. And what's the problem? This one. Okay, open this. I want to open this one. Okay. Okay. Ready, open. Now, let's see what is the problem over there. See the wire. Shortage. GMC Yukon American car. So I want to get out one by one pin here and replace the wiring. This the wiring. Need to get out one by one pin wire.